Hi and welcome back to Morgoths Media, where today I'm going to be reviewing this little gem, which is a taste of Italy, which is a double pepperoni pasta melt. Now I believe it's got big bits of pepperoni in it, little mini bits of pepperoni with a tomato sauce, with a rigatoni pasta, with a mozzarella cheese melt. So let's give this a go, shall we? See what it's like. So there you have it. I'm going to keep it in the pot, saves on washing up, doesn't it? Little tip. Let's give it a go, shall we? Get lovely thick mozzarella, look at it. Lovely and gooey. Lovely tomatoey sauce, thick and herby. Smells beautiful. Smell the Italian herbs. Got the pasta there, the rigatoni pasta. And you've got the pepperoni. Big slice of pepperoni there, look at that. Nice and gooey. Let's give it a go, shall we? Oh, that's lovely. That's gorgeous. That really is lovely. You've got that lovely mozzarella. Oh, that's just heavenly. That is so nice. The pasta's perfectly cooked. Cheese is coated. The lovely tomato, herby flavours in there, and that lovely pepperoni. Look at that. Oh, filthy. No, but this is brilliant. Definitely recommend this. Highly recommend it. Iceland's, well done. Well done, Iceland's. This is a good one. 100% buy this again. Yeah. That's my review.